We'll guide you through how to use the ChatGPT Voice Assistant. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. If you haven't created an account yet, you can sign up by clicking on the sign up button and following the prompts to enter your information. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard here. You'll find the voice assistant feature prominently displayed. Click on the microphone icon to activate the voice assistant. Make sure your computer's microphone is properly set up and permissions are granted for the browser to access it. You'll then see a prompt asking you to start speaking. You can ask ChatGPT to perform various tasks like setting reminders, providing answers to questions, or even engaging in casual conversation. To stop the voice interaction, simply click on the microphone icon again. If you need to adjust any settings, such as voice speed or language preferences, you can do so by clicking on the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner of the interface. This will open a menu where you can customize your experience according to your preferences. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different commands to see how versatile the ChatGPT voice assistant can be. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.